Now we are going to solve exercise 5.5. Write all the numbers between 300 and 350 that are divisible by 5. Now children, if the digit, you know the divisibility by 5, this is the divisibility rule. Okay, if the number, if the digit at the ones place of the number is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Okay, if the digit at the ones place of the number is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Okay, now we have to find out the numbers between 300 and 350. Okay, now we have to make the list between 300 and 350 numbers which ones place of the number is 0 or 5. Okay, after 300, 301, 302, 303, 304, 305. Okay, ones place is 5. Then after 5, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309, 310. Okay, then 315, then 320. Okay, see here ones place 5, 0, 5, 0. Okay, then 325, 330, 335, 340, 345, 350. Okay, here, but we have to write the between numbers of 300 and 350 which are divisible by 5. So numbers between 300 and 350 means these numbers are divisible by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 9 numbers between 300 and 350 are divisible by 5. Okay children? Now second question. Find the numbers divisible by 2 and 10. Okay, out of these which numbers are divisible by both 2 and 10. Okay, here are some numbers. Now tell me children, 132 is ones place there is 2. So 132 is divisible by 2. Okay, 132. Now 280. Here is ones place 0. And you know, if ones place is 0, then that number is divisible by 2 and 10 also. Okay, so 280. First we will write numbers divisible by 2 are 132, 280, and also numbers divisible by 10 are. See, this 280 is also divisible by 10. Okay, now next number is 455. Okay, 455, ones place there is 5, and you know it is not divisible by 2 and 10, because if there is 0 in one's place, then only that number is divisible by 10. Okay, and if there are numbers 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are there in one's place, then only that number is divisible by 2. But here is one's place 5. So it is not divisible by 2 and 10. Now here 904, there is 4 in one's place. So it is divisible by 2. Okay. Now 150, one's place 0 means it is divisible by both 150 by 2 and by 10 also. Okay. Now 363. Here is one's place 3, odd number. Okay. So it is not divisible by 2 and it is also not divisible by 10. 236. Yes, 236 is divisible by 2 but not 10 because one's place there is no 0. 100. Yes, it is divisible by 10 and also by 2. Okay. Then 764, it is divisible by 2 only. Okay. And 149, yes, 149 is neither divisible by 2 nor 10. Okay. Now children, we have to write numbers are divisible by both 2 and 10. Okay. Now see here, this 280 is divisible by 2 and 10. Then 150, yes, this 150 is also divisible by 2 and 10. And 100, yes, this 100 is also divisible by 2 and 10. 280, 150 and 100, these numbers are divisible by 2 and 10. Okay. Now children, here is third example. A teacher wants 106 students to sit in column with 10 students in each column. Okay. Without any student being left out. Find out by using the divisibility rules whether it is possible or not. Children, in each column there will be 10 students. Okay. Means we have to use here divisibility rule, divisibility by 10. Okay. And if we divide 106 by 10, 10 ones are 10, 0, 0, we will get this 6 here, and we cannot do division because here is 6 and there is no 6 in 10's table. So, and if one's place there is no 0, means this number is not divisible by 10. Okay. So, find out by using the divisibility rule whether it is possible or not. No, it is not possible. So, we have to write here divisibility rule means divisibility by 10. It is not possible. Okay. Now next, Rohini wants to pair 42 balloons without leaving any balloon unpaired. Find out by using the divisibility rule if she can do that. See here children, we have to make a pair of 42 balloons. Okay. 42 balloons ki 2 pair means how many? 42 divided by 2. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Then we will take this 2 down and 2 1s are 2. And see here, remainder is 0. Means here we have to use the divisibility by 2. Divisibility rule of divisibility by 2. So she can do. Okay, means Rohini can do pairs. How many pairs? 21 pairs. Okay. Now next, Akshay wants to pack 50 balls equally in 10 bags without leaving any ball. Find out without dividing if he can pack them. Yes children, because in 50 number one's place there is 0. So we can divide 50 by 10 and 10 5s are 50. Means he can pack, who? Akshay can pack 5 balls in 10 bags. Okay children, like this you have to complete this exercise 5.5. Now speed math. Okay, the two factors of 13 are, 13 is a prime number. So two factors of 13 are 1 and 13. Okay, now check whether 545 is divisible 5 or not. Yes, because one's place there is number 5, and divisibility rule, if there is 5 or 0 in one's place of a number, then that number is divisible by 5. So write here yes. Okay, now if 6 multiplied by 9 is equal to 54, then 54 is a multiple of 6 and 9. Yes, and 6 and 9 are factors of 54. Okay children, now the first 4 multiples of 16 and 32 are, first 4 multiples, 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48, 16 4s are 64. Okay, and 32 first, then 32 2s are 64, then 32 3s are 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 96, and 32 4s are 4 2s are 8, and 4 3s are 12, means 128. Okay, so the first 4 multiples of 16 and 32 are 16, 32, 48, 64, and 32's multiples 32, 64, 96, and 128. Okay, now the LCM of 16 and 32 is, LCM means least common multiples. Now from these two, common multiples are here 32, then here also 64, and here also 64, and here also 32. Okay, now from these two numbers, least common multiple is 32. So the LCM of 16 and 32 is 32. Okay children, I hope you have understood about the divisibility and divisibility rule. Now you have to complete this exercise 5.5 and speed math. Thank you.